Liku.
Niku. Yep. Just it. Yeah. What is this?
Hikulagi Primary School.
Wow, that's pretty big. Is it abandoned now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a big field.
Yeah.
you all shut down.
You want a thing or you be going?
That's alright. So this is the sculpture.
Yeah.
This is Liku's.
No, this is a thing. This is for everybody that comes. And when you go, you put your things in there.
So yeah, this is sculpture, Liku.
Oh, what is it?
Pretty interesting.
A wise old owl once said to me to build my nest in Harper's money tree. Okay.
I don't know what these are. Just people should put their jandals in shoes. Sheesh, okay. Ah, I don't know if you can see it's down there. The main sculpture looks like it. Here we are. Ah, what the heck is this? If this thing came alive, oh gosh. Yes, that's what we're here for. Mum, John. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's Hikulagi. It's in the middle of nowhere.
There used to be a sign right at that thing. We didn't find that sign, you know.
Maybe it's on the exit. When we exit.
Yeah.
Sign's falling apart.
Hakupu and Liku community project.
So most of this forest is
Yeah,
untouched.
maybe they moved it, eh? Yeah. But it's not very far now anyway, out of the forest.
Left, where did we leave?
We left Liku and we entered
forest.
Hakupu. The one forest.
John's home. It's a cool sign. Here we are. Where are we here?
To here.
See the waves. Look down. See how it is.
Slippery and
Oh yeah, that should be right. Yeah, pretty awesome. So close to the water. Not a beach though, but all those waves down there. I better go up before it crashes into me. Alright. See you at the top. We made it. It's the sign you need to see.
you go?
Yep.
There's
Sea
a,
track.
there's a Hakupu school called Tuasea.
Quick stop at John's family home.
That's his bedroom.
This one,
So yeah, we're in Avatele. Is it a interesting one? It's a quiet little beach. What's it? Tamakatonga. Tamakatonga. And resorts back there. Maybe. How much? I wonder how much it is for a night. Yeah,
300 or something.
a night.
I think.
What's this lookout called?
Huh?
What's this called? This is the rubbish dump. Day 2. Finished. Back at the shack. Don't know if we're going to be doing anything else, but there's a day.